So I'm done with my assessments. So once I'm done with my assessments, this basically gets saved into the system. I can then go into my report, right? So I go into my report, and once I go into my report, what has happened is basically done an analysis of my assessment, and you can see sections under great work, expert system, poor systems, busy work, right? So it seems these are my ratings of my task, and this is my ratings for now. And then I can in fact come down here and click on generate my insights and scroll down. I've clicked generate AI report. You can see my journey summary, my biggest win. Your strongest position is in great work, where 5 tasks like daily email handling, morning huddles, the dashboard review, operating efficiency. So this is a general report. Now, this is very important you look at, because at the end of the day, we need this report in our training. So if you're doing a training with us, you need to come to my report and then click on download PDF. So once you click on download PDF, you could basically click on the PDF and just download it. And then let's have a look at what it looks like, the PDF report.